Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Canon DSLR as a webcam for your Zoom meeting or for your Skype calls or any other need that will require a webcam. So we are going to start. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can download the Canon webcam utility. Let's start. So open the link in the description below and you will be in Canon website, and you scroll down, keep going down, keep going, and then from here you select your DSLR model. In my case I got the Canon M50. So this is my Canon. You find the webcam utility is this one here. You have to enter your name. And how to accept your term and condition, and then click submit. So you will be able to download now. It's downloading. So when you're done downloading, this is the file. Must extract it. Those are the file. Just click on setup. You click next, next, accept the term and condition, and then click next. So that will be the directory where it's going to install. Click install. Now it's done installing. Click finish. So I'm going to open the app and I show you how it works. Now let's go find our software. It's the one called camera. Make sure your camera is on and plug on your computer. As you can see, this is me. You can even take a picture and you can record yourself. So I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.